Now let us start with type 3, that is when the RHS is polynomial, how to find YP. How to find YP. This is my problem. So let us take a problem. Example, 3d square plus 2d operated on y is equal to x squared plus 1. What is the procedure? I have told you, first you arrange it in the ascending order. 2d first, power of d 1. Next power of d must be 2. 2d plus 3d square. Now this is, now what is the highest power of x? 2. Decreasing order. Next power of x. No, it is not there, so leave it. Plus 1. Now what is the procedure? I had told you, first term by first term. First term by first term. What is the first term here? X square. What is the first term here? 2d. So what does it mean? It means 1 by 2 into 1 by d. 1 by d means 1 by d of x square. That means half into 1 by d means integral. 1 by d means integral of x square. So that is half into integral of x squared is x cubed by 3. Integral of x squared x cubed by 3. So therefore this is x cubed by 6. Now first term by first term, whatever the result you got, I am writing it here. So that is x cubed by 6. Now the result what you got, x cubed by 6. This should be multiplied to 2d plus 3d square. So I am writing that 2d, this one should be multiplied to this 2d plus 3d square is multiplied to x cubed by 6. So what you will get? 2 into or 2 by 6. First let us take the constant outside. 2 by 6 into differentiation of x cubed. Right? 2 by 6 into differentiation of x cubed. Next 3 by 6. 3 by 6 into d squared of x cubed. D squared of x cubed. So therefore what you are getting is finally 2 by 6 into differentiation of x cubed 3x square. Observe, 2 by 6 into differentiation of x cubed 3x square plus 3 by 6 into 2 times you are differentiating this x cubed because power of d is 2. First time if you differentiate x cubed 3x squared you are getting. First time if I differentiate x cubed 3x squared. Again if I differentiate 3x squared, 3 into 2x 6x. So this is what you are getting. So therefore 6 cancels, only 3x remains. So what is that? 2 into 3 6 cancels, x square. So what is remaining? X square. 2 into 3 6 cancels x square. Here 6 cancels 3x. So what is remaining is x squared plus 3x. Though this whatever you got, this x squared plus 3x, I am writing that here, x squared plus 3x. Now subtract x squared minus x squared, 0 plus 1. This becomes minus. We are subtracting x squared minus x squared, 0. 1 minus 3x minus 2x you are getting. So this is stage 1. Remember. Now for going to stage 2, what you are doing once again? Minus 2x first term. Here first term is 2d. That I am taking it here. Observe. What is the first term? Minus 2x. I am writing it here. Minus 2x is the first term. Right? Here what is the first term? 2d. So if you cancel minus 1 by d into x, what is that? Minus 1 into 1 by d means integral of x. I think the point clear. First term is minus 2x. There first term is 2d. So 2 cancels, minus 1 by d into x. So minus 1 into 1 by d means integral of x dx. So that is minus 1 into integral of x dx is x squared by 2. So that is minus half into x square. Okay. 2 cancels. So what is remaining? Minus 1 by d of x minus 1 into 1 by d means integral of x. Integral of x is x squared by 2. So therefore you are getting minus half x squared. I told you already, whatever the result minus half x squared you are getting, that I must write it here. Where? Here. Minus half x squared. This is stage 2. minus half x square. You got this minus half x squared I have written. Next, again this minus half x square, it should be multiplied to this one, 2d plus 3d square. Just like in the first previous step, 2d plus 3d square you take 2d plus 3d square. This should be multiplied to minus half into x square. Or if I can take, so you can do like this also you can do. Minus half you take it outside. Minus half into, right, 2d plus 3d square operated on x square. So this will become minus half into, right, 2 into differentiation of 2 into d of x square. Differentiation of x square 2x plus 3 into, observe, d squared of x square, d squared of x, d squared of x square. Differentiation of x square 2x. 2 times you have to differentiate. Differentiation of x square 2x. Again if I differentiate 2. So what is the answer you are getting? 2. 2 into differentiation of x square 2x. 2 I have written. D of x square 2x. Next 3 I have written. This 3 I have written. D squared of x square 2 times you differentiate. Differentiation of x square 2x. Again if I differentiate 2. So this is what you are getting. So that is this 2 cancels with 2. Again this 2 cancels with 2. So what is remaining? Minus 2x. Observe. Minus 1 into 2x minus 2x. Here minus 3. Right. 2 cancels. Minus 2x. Minus 3 you are getting. So this result what you got, minus 2x minus 3. I am writing that here. Minus 2x minus 3. What is that? Here. Here the result you got minus 2x minus 3. That I should write here minus 2x minus 3. So therefore, when I subtract minus 2x cancel 0. This is just like plus 0. This becomes, when subtracting plus 3. Now again let us go for stage 3. What is stage 3? Again first term 3. Here first term 1 by 2d. So stage 3 is this. What is this? This is stage 2. Stage 3. What is stage 3? Again first term. What is the first term? 3. I have written. What is the first term here? 2d. Right? 2d. So 3 by 2 into 1 by d means what? Integral. 3 by 2 I have taken outside. 1 by d means integral of dx. So that is 3 by 2 x. So whatever the result you got, 3 by 2x. This I should write here 3 by 2x. So this will be your yp. That means total. This total will be your yp. Let us write that later. So therefore this 3 by 2x whatever you got, that should be multiplied to 2d plus 3d square. 2d plus 3d square. It will be multiplied to 3 by 2x. So if I do that, now 2 cancels. What is remaining? 2 is cancelling. Differentiation of 3x. 3 into differentiation of x1 plus 3 into 3 by 2, 9 by 2. 3 into 3, 9 by d squared of x means 0. So finally what you got is 3 only. So therefore, this 3, whatever you got, I am writing it here. So 3 minus 3 becomes 0. So what is yp means? Yp means x cubed by 6 minus half x square, right, plus 3 by 2x. So in all stages you remember, in all stages what you are remembering is first term by first term. What is the first term here? X square. What is the first term? 2d. Divide. 1 by 2 take a difference integral. You are getting x cubed by 6. The result you got x cubed by 6. I should write it here. Also, the whatever first term by first term you got, x cubed by 6 I have written. Next 2d plus 3d square. This x cubed by 6 what you got, that should be multiplied to 2d plus 3d square. So multiply this. When you multiply, you are getting x squared plus 3x. That answer you are writing it here, x squared plus 3x. Subtract 0. 1 minus 3x minus 2x. Now this x squared plus 3x is there. This x squared plus 3x. What is it here? x square plus 3x, subtract, you are getting minus 2x. Now what is the first term here? Minus 2x. What is the first term? 2d. Minus 2x by 2d. Then you are getting this. Right? What you are getting? Minus 2x minus 3. Return that. Subtract, you are getting 3. Again when you do first term by first term, you are getting. Okay, let us stop.